Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to machine a specific surfaces without leaving tool marks on the adjacent faces. As you know, this is a very common problem in CNC machining. Stay with me until the end. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And leave your comments for me, please. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. We want to apply a raster finishing strategy to this surface. To do this correctly, we need to create a selected surface boundary. Because we definitely don't want the tool to gouge or touch the surrounding geometries, such as this or this. First, select the target surface or surfaces and make sure you have selected the exact tool you intend to use for this operation. Now that the boundary is generated, now let's calculate the strategy and get our toolpath. But we were not quite done it yet. Okay, give me some time to calculate this strategy. Okay, my strategy calculated. We always need to inspect the toolpath and fix any potential errors. As you can see right here, the tool is rolling over the edge. Let me show you. I turn on contact track. Here. Right here, tool rolling over the edge and extending past the surface. To fix this issue, we just need to adjust our links under the toolpath connections settings. I want to change these links. For this, I put these settings, apply. Let me check. Okay, there you go, problem solved. Okay, now here's a question. Why didn't we use a user-defined boundary for this task instead? Please leave your answer for me in the comments. And make sure to watch my next video to find this important answer. And thank you for watching.